Hi guys! So this is your penultimate video for Writing 101 First 8 Weeks, Spring 2019 from Pimo Community College. We are in our final week, so next Sunday I will post one last video and then that's it. So let's talk about what's going on this week. Tomorrow please read the overview of Module 15. Tuesday please post your essay revision discussion 15, and then Wednesday your replies to discussion 15, and read the module overview for module 16. Thursday your farewell post, and then Friday your final portfolio. I wanted to say that I had seen and read through your discussion 14 posts and your response to one another, and those were really you guys were very encouraging and positive and collegial. That was really nice to see. Briefly, the final portfolio, you'll see this when you read through your materials, but if you need this, what I did was went to table of contents and then quick links to major assignments, and then final portfolio, so you'd go content and then quick links. What we're looking for here are a reflection of your progress, which is kind of what you did in discussion 14. There's a list of things that you need to include, which are on another document I'll link to in just a moment. You get 25 points for having all of those things in there, 25 points for revising one of your essays, and then 15 points for basic communication. So it's 100 points, and I would say easy points, because what you're doing is just compiling a bunch of stuff that you've already done mostly, and then also revising one of the essays that you've already gotten lots of feedback on. So it's an easy way to bring up your grade, in my opinion. So here is the list of what you need to include. Okay, so your title page, table of contents, and reflection, your final versions of each essay, and then your revision. So as far as your revision, choose the one that you felt needed the most improvement, or the one that you, after you submitted it, you realized that there were things that you wanted to do differently in it. And to that end, I wanted to point out, because I forgot to last time, that for your essay 2, what I did was I uploaded one document to your feedback page that included both your essay with my comments in it and the rubric. So just going to that here. Oh, that's the wrong one. Sorry. I'll show you here what I normally do, and then you can see how it's a little bit different. So if you were looking at, let's see, one of these, Kelly's was really perfect. So let's look at that one. I usually upload one file that has my comments in it, and I post the rubric in the feedback area here. Okay, so I know it doesn't look the same on your screen, and then right here is where I uploaded a file. So for your annotated bibliography, this is where you need to look, just that one file. Everything else, nowhere else will you find the rubric. So if you're looking at what needed to change or look different. But the AnnoBib is not something that you're going to want to revise, or that's even an option to revise for your portfolio, so that's kind of irrelevant to the purpose of the portfolio. But I just wanted you to know, okay? So I've talked long enough. Email me if you guys have any questions, and have a great last week.